In this chat, I'm breaking down why your toilet might be acting up after that one usage this morning, and what you can do to fix it without losing your mind. So, here's the deal. First off, since you barely used any tissue thanks to the bidet, the clog probably isn't from a paper overload, which is kinda good news. You've already tried using a beehive plunger for like 20 pumps twice, but no luck, which tells me the blockage could be deeper than just the toilet trap. Since the other two toilets in your house are working fine, the issue might be isolated to either the short trunk line from that toilet to the main sewer or the main sewer line itself if it's stopped up. Before calling a plumber, you might want to try getting a toilet snake, which can reach further down and break up tougher clogs that plungers can't touch. Pouring liquid drain cleaners usually isn't the best move, since they often don't work well on solid blockages and can sometimes mess with your pipes. If you're feeling brave and want to learn, check out YouTube tutorials on how these plumbing systems work, but seriously, it's way better if you can tag along with someone who's got at least 10 years of experience for safety and proper technique. Getting your hands dirty is part of the process, so don't sweat a little mess. Once you get the hang of it, you can decide if you want to keep fixing stuff yourself or jump into working for a company and learn more pro skills. One of the biggest mistakes people make is assuming plungers will fix everything, but if the clog is past the trap or in the sewer line, plunging won't cut it. Another common issue is using chemical drain cleaners hoping for a quick fix, but those often don't work on tough clogs and can damage your pipes, so it's better to avoid them. Lastly, people sometimes ignore warning signs until the problem gets worse. If you notice slow draining or weird noises early on, tackling it quickly can save a lot of hassle. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when DIY just won't cut it. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to find work, it's a great spot to connect with homeowners who actually need your skills.